you hope for it to come, it will come. So meditate on Habakkuk 2 verse 3 and understand that he's a father, and a father will not lie to you. If you ask him for something, he's not going to give you a rock. He's not going to give you
Bobby wash dishes.
And he used to wear his hat a certain way. Like, everybody would wear it a straight way, but he would wear it the opposite way. And I thought that was the cutest thing, but I didn't dare tell him. But that's what I was, in my heart saying, oh, that's so cute.
What did you think, Bobby, when you first saw Cheryl?
I thought she was a knockout.
Good answer.
When you